Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Bukidnon!
Good morning guys, I am here at Totsis. We are here sa Valencia City, Bukidnon. At ito ang maganda nating cashier, si Lara. Okay, ito pinamili ko kayo ng mga video. Ay naku, ang sasarap dito. Ang sarap sana mag-uwi, kaya lang mga croissant ito, and then they have the different cakes, and then ito dami, sarap, kopya and everything, and ito pa. See you later guys. Guys, good morning. Ito po yung bagahe namin. Yan. Nilalagyan po ng priority and fragile. So, thank you to Philippine Airlines. These are the nice people. Good morning, ma'am. Say good morning. Yan. These are the nice people of PAL. And of course, we are here at Lagundingan Airport in Cagayan de Oro City. Okay. Yan. These are the members of our team. Hindi po pwedeng sabihin ko anong team ha, bawal. Hindi rin po sasabihin ko sino-sino sila. Yan.
Elite, Premier Elite, Comfort Plus, Dirita Sura, Senior, Dirita sa kapila. Regular passengers.
This is going to be our flight PR2560 Manila. Now boarding. We're scheduled to fly at 6:30. And this is our very beautiful. Yan. Ganda-ganda naman yan. This is Lagundingan Airport, and this is our Philippine Airlines plate under registry RPC 8620. Guys, ito po yung mga passengers ng PAL. Kaya lang, parang ginagawa nilang butik tong beauty salon. Yan. Si ma'am, nagli-lipstick. Diba yun? Si ma'am, lip gloss. O ano ba yan? Pintura ba yan? O Sephora. Yan. Yan mo. Yan. Tandaan niyo po sila. Pero hindi po pwedeng sabihin kung taga saan sila.
We request all passengers to remain in your assigned seats for the duration of this flight. If you are seated in an exit row, civil aviation regulations mandate that you read the passenger briefing card.
Guys, meron tayong flight stewardess from University of Cordilleras. Her name is... Say hi to your dean. Madadala ko to sa dean mo.